Stop. Just stop for a moment. Don't scroll. Don't skip. Don't multitask. Sit still. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Now ask yourself this question, and don't lie. Am I really living, or am I just surviving? Most people don't live. They repeat days. They recycle routines. They wake up tired, live distracted, and sleep empty. They call it life. But it's not. It's autopilot. You see, everyone wants a better life. Everyone wants freedom, money, confidence, peace of mind, respect, a strong body, a sharp mind, a life that feels meaningful. But here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Wanting means nothing without action. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. What are you doing today? Not planning, not dreaming, but actually doing, to create the life you say you want. Because dreams don't respond to intentions. They respond to execution. Lesson 1. Time is your real body. People say, I'm killing time. No, you're killing yourself. Time is not a clock. Time is your life in small pieces. Every hour you waste scrolling. Every night you sleep late for no reason. Every tomorrow you promise yourself. That's not time passing. That's life leaking. You don't feel it now. That's the dangerous part. You feel fine today, but years disappear silently. Your energy drops. Your focus weakens. Your hunger fades. And one day you wake up and realize you waited too long. Solution: treat your time like oxygen. Plan your days. Protect your mornings. Cut distractions without mercy. If it doesn't grow you, teach you, or build you, limit it. Time only works for people who respect it. For everyone else, it becomes the executioner. Lesson 2. Nobody is coming. Let me destroy a comforting lie. Nobody is coming to save you. No mentor, no miracle, no perfect opportunity, no lucky moment. And once you accept that, you become powerful. Because the moment you stop waiting, you start leading. Your life is your responsibility, not your parents', not society's, not the government's. Yours. Solution: stop asking, why me? Start saying, watch me. Take ownership, even of things that aren't your fault. Because responsibility is power. Lesson 3. Comfort is a slow poison. Comfort feels safe. That's why it's deadly. Comfort whispers, relax, scroll, skip today. You deserve a break. And years later, comfort leaves you empty. No growth, no pride, no story. Every meaningful life is built in discomfort. Every strong person was forged under pressure. Solution: seek discomfort daily. Speak when your voice shakes. Start before you feel ready. Fail publicly if you must. Comfort creates spectators. Discomfort creates leaders. Lesson 4. Later is a graveyard. I'll do it later. Later is where dreams go to die. Later becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. Next year becomes regret. Later doesn't exist. Only now does. And the people who win understand one thing. They act before confidence arrives. Solution: start messy. Start scared. Start small. But start now. Action creates confidence, not the other way around. Lesson 5. Your mind can be a prison. Thinking is good. Overthinking is destruction. Most people are exhausted, not because they work hard, but because they think endlessly and act never. They rehearse failure. They imagine embarrassment. They build fear stories in their head. And then they call it being realistic. No, it's fear in disguise. Solution: limit thinking. Expand doing. Decide fast. Move fast. Correct later. Progress beats perfection every time. Lesson 6. Discipline motivation. Motivation is emotional. Discipline is structural. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Successful people don't feel special. They feel tired. They feel bored. They feel resistance. And they act anyway. Solution. Build routines that don't depend on mood. Train yourself to show up on bad days. Because your future is built on the days you didn't feel like it. Lesson 7. You versus you. Your enemy isn't outside. It's inside. The lazy voice. The excuse voice. The just this once voice. Every day, there's a war. And only one version of you wins. Solution. Starve the weak version. Feed the disciplined one. Track your wins. Celebrate effort, not comfort. Identity follows behavior. Lesson 8. Willpower is a muscle. If you let feelings decide your actions, your life will stay small. Feelings lie. Discipline tells the truth. Willpower is built through resistance. Like the gym, it hurts before it grows. Solution. Do one thing daily you don't want to do. Keep promises to yourself. Self-trust is built that way. Lesson 9. Comparison is poison. You compare your behind the scenes to someone else's highlights, and you lose confidence for no reason. Everyone has a different timeline, different battles, different costs. Solution. Unfollow envy. Follow progress. Compete only with yesterday's you. Lesson 10. Choose your advisors. Not everyone deserves access to your decision. Advice without experience is noise. Solution. Listen only to those who've done what you want to do. Respect everyone. Follow few. Lesson 11. Pick yourself. The world doesn't pick dreamers. It picks builders. No one will believe in you until results force them to. Solution. Approve yourself. Start before permission. History rewards self-starters. Lesson 12. No risk, no story. Safe lives are forgettable. Every legendary life required risk. Embarrassment, failure, loss, but also growth. Solution. Take calculated risks. Act despite fear. Regret is heavier than failure. Lesson 13. The clock is ticking. Time is moving whether you act or not. And the scariest moment is realizing you waited too long. Solution. Act as if time is limited, because it is. Urgency creates greatness. Lesson 14. Nobody cares, and that's freedom. People are busy with their own pain. That's not cruelty. That's reality. And it means you're free. Free to fail. Free to rebuild. Free to try again. Solution. Stop seeking validation. Start building quietly. Lesson 15. Why not now? What will change next week? Nothing, unless you act. Waiting is fear pretending to be logic. Solution. One step. Right now. Momentum changes everything. Final message. You are not weak. You are unused. You are not behind. You are warming up. You are not lost. You are being shaped. There is a version of you that wakes up disciplined, focused, dangerous. Your job is to become him. Not tomorrow. Now. Stand up. Straighten your back. Take responsibility. And start building a life you don't need to escape from. Your future is watching. Don't disappoint it.